guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. At nandito tayo ngayon para tingnan itong tubig sa gripo. Kung ano ba makikita natin. Tingnan niyo po, namumuti pang tubig. Nangangulugan po may marami ang chlorine. Pag ganyan ang tubig, huwag muna kayong iinom kaagad. So, hayaan niyo muna ang sumingaw o mag-evaporate yung chlorine. Kasi po mayroon po yan disadvantages sa health natin.
Alam niyo ba na chlorine is commonly used in water treatment facilities to disinfect water and kill harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Yan. While chlorine effectively makes water safe to consumption, there can be some effects associated with drinking water treated with this chemical. Ano yung mga epekto sa atin ng pag-inom ng drinking water na may chlorine? Unang-una, yung taste and odor, di ba? Yung chlorine can impart a noticeable taste and odor to water which some people find unpleasant. May mga tao na hindi comfortable uminom ng tubig na galing sa gripo kasi medyo talagang mataas yung lasa ng chlorine sa water. So this can vary depending on the concentration of chlorine and individual sensitivity. Number 2, skin and eye irritation. Ayan. Exposure to high level of chlorine such as when showering or bathing in chlorinated water can cause skin irritation and dryness. Yan. Nanunuyo po yung ating mga skin. Kung tayo po ay naligo na gamit yung tubig na galing sa gripo na may chlorine, it may also irritate the eyes, leading to redness and discomfort. Yung pangatlo po, respiratory issues. Chlorine vapors released during activities like showering or washing dishes can irritate the respiratory system, particularly in individuals with asthma or other respiratory conditions. Yan, respiratory issue. Yan yung number 2. Yung number 4 po, sensitive population. Certain groups such as pregnant women, infants, and elderly and individuals with compromised immune systems may be more susceptible to the effect of chlorine and its byproducts. Yung number 5 po ay long-term health effects. While the risk of acute health effects from chlorine exposure in drinking water is low, some studies suggest potential associations between long-term consumption of chlorinated water and adverse health outcomes such as bladder cancer and cardiovascular disease. However, more research is needed to establish conclusive link. To mitigate the potential effects of chlorine in drinking water, some people choose to use water filters designed to remove chlorine and its byproducts. Additionally, water treatment facilities continuously monitor chlorine levels to ensure they remain within safe limits prescribed by regulatory standards.